Imagine humanity disappears. Instantly. No zombies, no nuclear war, no aliens. Just poof, and we're gone. Sounds like the start of a sci-fi movie, but let's see what would really happen. After 10 seconds, absolute silence. Cars stop, planes fall, trains grind to a halt. All our phones, notifications, traffic jams, gone. Only birds, the wind, and maybe your neighbor's cat now thinking, so who's going to feed me? After a few hours, the power is still on. Most power plants are automated, but they still need human maintenance. Nuclear power stations without humans will begin switching into emergency mode. Most modern ones have systems that automatically shut down the reactor. But some old ones, well, shutting them down is like reading a microwave manual in Chinese. One wrong move and you've got yourself a mini Chernobyl. After 2 to 3 days. Without humans, water pumps stop running. Faucets go dry. But cities will gain new water sources. Fountains no one turned off, flooded subways, and over time, rooftops where little ponds will form. After a week, supermarkets will start smelling like someone delivered 10 tons of rotten fish. All fresh food will spoil. Fun fact, regular apples stored without temperature control last a couple of months, but bananas only 7 to 10 days. Plus, refrigerators will stop, and all the meat, dairy, and frozen dumplings will join the kingdom of flies. After a month, an invasion of rodents and insects begins. Mice and rats will quickly realize that no one is controlling their numbers. Scientists have proven, in big cities, the rat population can double in just 6 months if left unchecked. So in a year, New York, Moscow, and London will look like a party for the Rat King's birthday. After 6 months, nature starts reclaiming territory. Asphalt cracks, plants push through. Deer and wild boar stroll down the streets like it's their summer home. In tropical zones, the jungle will simply storm the cities. Scientists estimate that in a temperate climate, it takes a tree about 5 to 10 years to split a building's foundation with its roots. After 1 year, some domestic animals vanish. Cows, goats, chickens, their populations will crash without humans. Cats and dogs, however, will fight for survival. Dogs will likely turn feral and form packs, while cats, well, they've always been tiny tigers. They just pretended to love us for the food. After 5 years, metal structures begin to rust badly. Bridges, especially in salty coastal air, will collapse. Everything built in a rush will fall first, which means half of modern apartment blocks. Meanwhile, old stone buildings, especially cathedrals and fortresses, will simply say, "We always knew humans weren't reliable." After 20 to 50 years, cities become green jungles. What used to be roads will turn into forest trails. In some regions, the climate will shift as emissions from factories and cars vanish. Scientists believe that in about 50 years, atmospheric CO2 levels would return to those of the early 20th century. After 100 years, only the sturdiest structures remain. The Eiffel Tower will start to crumble from corrosion. The Statue of Liberty will probably last longer. Copper decays slowly. And the Egyptian pyramids will still be standing, looking at it all with contempt. After 10,000 years, only rare traces of us remain. Plastic waste, ceramics, radioactive spots from nuclear waste, and perhaps some satellites still orbiting Earth. Interestingly, the radio waves we've sent into space will keep traveling forever. Somewhere, far away, another civilization might catch them. If they hear our old broadcasts, they'll probably think we were a weird species that sang songs about love, argued about politics, and for some reason constantly advertised laundry detergent. In the end, Earth will not die without us. It will recover, clean the air, fill the rivers, and create new ecosystems. And maybe, millions of years from now, evolution will gift the planet with a new intelligent species, one that also thinks it's the master of the world, until it repeats our story.